what if I told you you could get paid just for listening and repeating back everything you hear? All right, I just came across this part-time work from home job opportunity that I think a lot of people would be interested in. So it's this company called 3Play Media. They are looking for people to do voice writing. And voice writing is basically where you listen to something, you're listening to people talk, and you're just actually saying everything that you hear, and it transcribes on the screen for other people that maybe have hearing issues. They could actually read the screen. So this opportunity is pretty straightforward, but I think this could be really cool for a lot of people because pretty much all you gotta do is just repeat what you're hearing. So basically, if you get accepted and you start working for this company, your job is going to be to tune into live events that's going on, and all you're going to do is just repeat, just like I said a million times, repeat what the speaker is saying. I've seen where it says most events are around 20 minutes and you get paid 50 cents per audio minute that you transcribe. And some events actually do go longer than 20 minutes, and obviously you will get paid for that time. Now, there are a few qualifications that you must have to work for 3Play Media. One is you're gonna have to pass a background check. So hopefully, you ain't a fugitive or nothing like that, and you good to go, and your record is pretty decent. Another thing that you're gonna have to have, and this is super easy to get, you're going to need a headset. So you can get a headset on Amazon. You can get a decent headset for under $20, so that ain't no real issue. Now, one of the things that really is important, right, for this job opportunity, you must have a quiet background. You have to have, that's like crucial, right? You cannot have no noise. You can't have kids. You can't have animals. You can't have the TV on in the background, right? You can have this stuff, but they cannot be around you. People cannot hear noise. And that's why I could never work for 3Play Media, because of my dog. He quiet right now. He just a baby. He quiet. He doing his thing. But when the mailman come, or when Amazon pull up, all hell break loose. So I definitely could never do 3Play Media. But if you have a quiet background and you know you're gonna be good to go, definitely check this opportunity out. So if you want more information on this work from home job opportunity and actually see how voice writing works, you can check out the first link in the description of this video. So if you do apply for this opportunity and you get hired, come back to this video, comment below, and share your experience.